Hello children, welcome you again with another maths lesson. Today I came for the lesson with two friends, Terry and Bunny. Say hi to them. Okay, this is Aya and this is Malli. They are also joining with us today with our lesson. And I have some things to do the lesson. So they too need these things. I will share this with them, okay? We need some balls for this lesson. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. So I need to give them. If I'm going to share this with them, I must equally share these between these two. Otherwise, what will happen? Aya and Malli will start fighting. Okay, let's share these 4 balls equally with them. Okay? How to do that? Let's see. I'll give 1 for Terry, 1 for Bunny. 1 for Terry, 1 for Bunny. Now, do they have equal with them? 2 for Bunny, 2 for Terry. Okay, they have equally. Now, no fights. Good. And now, I have some feathers to give them. There are 10 feathers with me. Now, let's see how to share these equally. Okay, 1 for Terry, 1 for Bunny. 1 for Terry, 1 for Bunny. Then they have 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. How many do they have? Each one has 5. Terry also 5. Bunny also have 5. So, no need to fight. And now, I have some balloons with me. 8 balloons. Now, I need to share equally. Let's see. You also count with me. Okay? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. When we share 8 balloons equally among these two, each one get 4. Okay, now you know how to share equally. And now let's see. I have 5 pencils now. And I need to share these also very equally with them. Okay, here we start. 1 pencil for Terry, 1 for Bunny, 2, 2. My goodness, now I have only 1 pencil. How can I share this? Can I break it into 2 and share? No, so I can't share this. We call this, we can't give this to anybody. If I give this to Terry, he gets 3. Then it's unfair. Bunny has only 2. If I give this to Bunny, he has 3, Terry has 2. Okay, it's not fair. It's not equally divided. So, I can't divide this. Then I have to keep it aside. We call this remainder. The thing that I can't, the remaining thing that I can't divide with them equally. We call this remainder. So when I share 5 pencils equally among these two, each one get 2 and we say remainder 1. 2, remainder 1. I have 3 scissors. Now I need to share these 3 also equally with them. Okay, here I start. 1 for Terry, 1 for Bunny, 1 remaining. Now am I going to break it and give this? No, when I break it, it's useless. Okay, so I can't share this. Even this one also I have to keep it aside. Then when you divide 3 scissors into 2, then you get 1 remainder 1. One person get 1 remainder 1. Okay. And now I have 9 glue bottles. Let's see how to share that. 1 for Terry, 1 for Bunny, 2, 3, 4, now 8, and this is the 9th one. Can I give this to anybody? No. So this is the remainder. Very good. Now you know what is the remainder. The remaining thing that we can't share equally. So when you divide 9 into 2, we get 4, remainder 1. Very good. Hope you all understood sharing equally. Now when you share the things with your friends, main thing is to share it equally. If you can't share it equally, you will get a remainder. You have to keep it aside. Okay, now I will show you some more things on sharing equally. Okay, now we shared many things among Terry and Bunny. Okay, so I divided everything equally. We shared everything equally. Sharing equally has a special name, Putte. Sharing equally has a special name. We call it in one word. What's that word? It's division. Sharing equally means division. So whenever you get this word, that means division means sharing equally. So we have a sign for division, for sharing equally, or for division there's a sign. You already know these 3 signs. This is a sign of adding, here's the sign of subtracting, here's the sign of multiplying. Look at this sign very carefully. The new sign that you learned today, it is division, the sign of division. Okay children, now let's see some more sharing activities. Help Gull and Popo share these lights equally. Okay, read the board, Putte. But how will you do? Division means sharing equally. When you divide, you separate into 2 equal groups. There are 14 lights. Here's Popo, here's Gull. Now let's see. See how they are distributed equally. He got 7, he got 7. So 14 lights divided by 2 is 7. Each one got 7 lights. Okay? And now let's divide 8 apples equally among 2. Let's see how to do that. See what's happening. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Each basket has 4. So there are 4 apples in each basket. 8 apples divided into 2. That means divided equally into 2 gives you the answer 4. Right. Now children, there's an activity for you to do. Let's see whether it's easy for you. Let's divide the following. There are some things for you to divide equally into 2. Number 1. There are 6 oranges there. 6 divided by 2 is 3. How we got the answer, Putte? Here when you have some pictures like this, you can cut out them like this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So each one gets 3. Then the answer is 3. Number 2. How many ice creams are there? There are 4 ice creams. So how to divide 4 into 2 equally? 1, 1, 2, 2. Then the answer 4 divided by 2 is 2. And now how many apples are there? Sorry, how many pears are there? There are 2. 2 divided by 2. What is the answer, Putte? You can do it in this way. 1, 1. Then the answer is 1. Number 4. 10 rambutans are there. 10 rambutans divided by 2. Let's see how to get the answer. Shall we go cutting? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Very good. We got it equally. Each group gets 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Number 5. There are 8 pencils. Now we are going to divide 8 pencils into 2. Okay, let's go. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's very easy. And now there are 14 balls. We are going to divide by 2. Let's do that. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7. So 14 divided by 2, the answer is 7. So Pute, you must do it using the pencil. It's easy for you when you go on cutting the pictures from both the sides as teacher does. Okay, and then we have 12 fish here. Okay, 12 we need to divide by 2. Do with the teacher Pute. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. Finally, we have 16 strawberries. Let's divide equally into 2. Count with the teacher. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. So 16 divided by 2 gives the answer 8. Let's divide with the remainder. You can remember how we divided the things, shared the things equally, but with the remainder. Here's a worksheet for you. Let's see how to do that. Divide equally with a remainder. Okay, number 1. How many oranges are here? You can see 7 oranges there. And it was divided among Navindu and Damindu, and there's a remainder. Each one got 3 and remainder 1. Let's see how we got the answer 3. Okay Pute, now let's see there are 7 oranges and it was divided among Navindu and Damindu equally, and there's a remainder also. Navindu has got 3, Damindu has got 3, and let's see how we got the answer 3. Okay, here I'm going to share this equally among 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So 1 by 1, 1 divided into 2 groups, then we get the answer 3. Each one got 3, and there's a remaining 1 there. Okay, it's very easy. Now let's see how to divide 2 books among Navindu and Damindu. Okay, you have to pair them. Okay, let's do. 2 books divided into 2. My goodness. So how many each one get? How many pairs are there? 1. And there's a remainder 1. So let's write the answer. Navindu gets 1, Damindu gets 1, and there's a remainder 1. Very easy. And here are some erasers there. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 erasers are there. Let's divide them equally among Navindu and Damindu. You can do with the teacher. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is 1 remaining. We can't share it with anybody, so that is the remainder. So how many pairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get the answer. Navindu gets 4, Damindu gets 4, and there's a remainder 1. I'll show you another. There are how many rambutans with it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 rambutans. Let's divide equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many each one gets? 5. Remainder 1. You can do the rest very easily and leisurely at home. Well, Pute, hope you all enjoyed the lesson today with these two new friends. So our lesson today was division. Division means sharing equally. Keep it in your mind. Sharing equally won't give us any problems. Okay, so let's meet you again with another new lesson. Until then, you can do the activities in your textbooks regarding the lesson today. Thank you very much.